top rack straps. These are developed with our Wolfman top racks in mind. And what it is basically a very simple strap system. We use reflective webbing so you get a little more reflection and night visibility. We utilize a cam buckle. A lot of people call these river buckles or river raft buckles, but just a basic cam buckle here. And then a long strap with two chrome slides that with the same slides and basically works the same function as our saddlebags work to our side racks. We also include a flappy strap keeper also. Alright, the basic premise is very similar to our saddlebags. We take the 1-inch chrome slide, drop it through the slot, and as it catches, it makes a very positive, you can lift the bike up by it. To release the slide, basically you will just reach under, loosen the tension on the strap, reach under, and let the slide pass through the slot. What I like to do is set these straps on our duffel bags where you don't have to take the straps off. The straps stay captured onto the bag. I'll show with a Renegade duffel, and then I'll show you on the Expedition Dry duffel and methods to do that. Just some tips that makes it easier to use. Here's our Renegade duffel, and as you see we have a D-ring, a patch on the top with D-rings on it right here. 2 D-rings. So what I like to do is I'll take the long end. So here's our strap. Let's orient ourselves. I'll take the long end, which is this piece here, and I'll feed the chrome slide through the D-rings here and here, just like so. So now we're gonna pull up some of the slack and start adding tension to the bag. Now the reason we put the cam buckles on the front is because, and I'm going to cross in front of the lens, it's so much easier to get leverage and pull against the bike rather than towards the front. So as you can see, we put tension on it. We can really put a lot of tension on it. It's going to cinch down. Now what do we do with all this leftover? Well, you got a strap keeper. You can tie it this way or trim it. Not always advisable because our loads always change. So I like to do sometimes, and it's real simple, is add just a shoe knot, a butterfly knot, like you were tying your shoes, because I want to keep this webbing, and I'll just tuck it under. That's another option. What do you do when you want to take the bag off the bike? Well, here's a nice little tip for you. Go in, and the cam buckles are just push buttons, so they loosen. So you just want to release some tension. So now the straps and the bag are loose. Flip the 1-inch chrome slide through the slots, front and rear. So once we've released tension and pulled the slide through the slots, it's easy just to remove the bag, grab it by the handle, and go into the hotel, tent, and so on. We showed you how to attach the Renegade duffel to a top rack using our new top rack straps. I'm going to show you an Expedition Dry duffel. This is a small. The height on the small is adjustable, as all our Expedition Dry duffels are. The difference between a small, medium, and large is mainly the width. So this is where the length of the strap really can come in handy. First of all, I like to use just the bottom 2 straps here, or excuse me, bottom 2 D-rings. Through the bottom 2 D-rings again. Now, the reason I do just the bottoms, and I'll show you, is when the bag is on the bike and you need to access the contents, especially of this bag, you're going to want to undo all of the strap, front and rear. Now you can get to the contents. What it does is it captures it here on the lower D-rings, and it does the same thing on the front. If you figured out your load, your kit, and so on, you can cut these to fit. Easy method to mount a duffel bag to our top rack, and it's universal for all our top racks, not just the CRF, but all that we manufacture.